Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to control which payment method to appear or stay hidden based on the shipping state selected by your wholesale customers in Shopify. For example, if the shipping state is selected as let's say Ontario or Alberta, so you can hide the shipping method which is the cash on delivery. For other states, you can show up also. So let's see how we can configure this setup in our online store. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using B2B Order Limit app which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Payment Rules. Now just click on Create New Rule. Now let's name your rule. Let's say like hide COD based on state selected. So I'm just adding the rule name as hide COD based on state selected. And if you have any additional informations or any notes to add why this payment rule is for and what this does, those descriptions you can add up in this field. Otherwise, you can skip the part. So I'm adding like rule set to hide the COD payment method when the state is selected as Ontario and Alberta for the wholesale customers. So my customer targeting will be all customers. You can also target the customers having some specific tags or customers who has spent some amount of a limit and like that. And in case of order condition, I'm choosing the condition type as shipping state is one off. And if you know the code, you can directly add the code of that state here. Otherwise, you can browse the code from from here. So I know the code of Ontario and then my Alberta. So I'm adding those details here. So if you have multiple conditions to add, then click on add conditions and go for the condition adding. And if you are adding multiple conditions, you can also have some match type. All condition must match or any condition must match. So in case of all condition must match, the rule will be applied only if the all given condition is satisfied. So if you are choosing any condition must match, then the rule will check for any of the given conditions to match so that the rule will be getting automatically applied. So my action on the condition will be hiding the payment method of cash on delivery. So I have added all the details. Now I'm just saving the changes and make sure that the status is active. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. Let's try to check out this. So I have added Ontario as my state here so that you can see that the cash on delivery payment method has removed from the payment section. Now let's try with some other state. Let's say like I'm adding some other details. Let's change our country. Now the state has changed. Now you can see that the cash on delivery is available. Now let's again try Alberta. So I'm adding the state as Alberta so that you can see that the cash on delivery payment method has removed from this section. So this is how you can control the visibility of the payment method based on the state selected by your wholesale customers in your wholesale store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.